Students, as I promised you, every video I record in Hindi, I am also going to record in English. Extremely important. Today we are going to upload test number 3 of our test series, right? And I told you that after first 2 tests, attempt the first 2 tests, then you will find out where you are struggling. Then I am going to give you very important instructions to tell you how to perform in the test properly. I have uploaded 2-3 videos about how to write these mock tests. We call these mock tests, right? Because real test is going to happen on 3rd May. So every test that you attempt before that is a mock test. The real game is going to happen on 3rd May. So I have told you in few videos before this, I am going to remind again, because when you are going to write this test, you have to follow these instructions. And remember this, like Kohli goes into every game after net practice. These tests, right, which you are writing, let's call them mock tests. These are your net practice for NEET exam. If you are not going to practice and go and write NEET exam without this, you will 100% not score good marks. So let us go back and understand. I told you keep track of your performance. So which means you should get close to 320 in bio, 115 chemistry, 113 physics. Physics, chemistry, bio. Keep track of this thing. Keep track of this thing. Because ultimately this is where you have to go. So you have to see, okay, this time you scored 216 bio, 114 chemistry, 120 in physics. This means bio is, for example, I told you that you should score 320 in bio, you should score 115 chemistry, and you should score 113 physics. Instead of that, you actually got 260, 140, 120. What this tells you is bio is your main problem which has to be fixed. This is the benefit of writing mock tests right now. If you write mock tests right now, you will know exactly where you need to focus. If imagine this is what you require, this is what you are getting. This shows that bio is your problem. Most of the time you will feel you only need to study physics. This is telling you study bio, right? This is very, very important. So you have to keep track of individual marks in each subject very, very closely and then deeply analyze where should you work hard so that your marks score. Second thing, you have to follow this sequence. First bio, then organic, inorganic, then physical chemistry, then physics, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Because these do not require calculation, you can finish them faster. When you finish them faster, you get a lot of time for these 60 questions which require calculations, and calculations require time. Students, extremely important to understand. A lot of you would complain, sir, I am not able to finish my physics paper. I do very badly in physics paper. It is happening because you are left with 20 minutes for physics paper. Obviously, you are going to do mistakes. When you maintain your time properly and follow this sequence, that problem would not happen. Students, you have to do bio, organic and inorganic in the right amount of time, which I am saying. Come here, third point. Bio, organic and inorganic 80 minutes. So that you get 85 minutes for 60 questions of physical and physics. And 15 minutes for questions which you left. 15 minutes for questions which you left. Now, which are these questions which you left? If you don't understand a single question in 15 seconds, you have to mark a big circle on top of it, move forward. You are marking a circle so that in the end, when you have 15 minutes remaining, you are able to easily identify and attempt them. But don't spend more than 15 seconds on a question if you are not able to understand it. Because remember this, even if you get 24 questions wrong, you will get selected in NEET with 600 marks. So have this confidence, 24 wrong and you will still get selected in NEET, right? With 600 marks. So it is extremely important, 80 minutes for bio, organic, inorganic, 85 minutes for 60 questions of physical chemistry and physics, 15 minutes for skipped questions. These durations include filling OMR sheet, right? So understand this, students. And fill OMR 4 times. Fill OMR 4 times. One after bio, another one after organic and inorganic, third time after physical, and fourth after physics. Students, you have to practice all these things right now. It will make a difference finally of at least 50 to 75 marks. If you don't practice these things right now, you go into the exam on 3rd May, you will make a lot of mistakes and you will be under a lot of pressure. If you write mock tests right now, a lot of students have joined NEET Prep test series. A lot of you have joined NEET Prep test series, right? This is the purpose of this test series. We have provided link of the test series in the video description. You can go and buy it there. You can still give all the tests which have happened till now, but it is extremely important that you practice and develop your skills and stamina in these mock tests. Understand this, students. And if you have not started preparing till now, you know we have launched Pure English course, and for first 1,000 students who are enrolling, it is going to finish very soon. For first 1,000 students, it is available only for 15,000 rupees. After that, its price would become same as our Hindi English course. So whatever you want to do, students, it is extremely important that you prepare properly. Not much time is remaining in NEET exam. How many months are remaining? 7.5 months maximum for syllabus completion, right? And 1 month of revision. So start now. If you want to talk to me, understand how to purchase our video course, you can call me on this number 9665919930. But I'm hoping and I'm seriously wishing all of you are going to follow these instructions. This in my mind is extremely important and you should do it now. Alright, students.